Oh my god, I can't wait because I will do 10 nails or 20 nails here. All right, so what else you want to do? My picker and see. Maybe we're doing like variety of different nails. Maybe we do some, yeah, some designer, some holiday. Oh, it's so cool. I'm putting in this tray. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna come up with this. So flat though. Really interesting. I'm curious because let's see is how I do the bigger one and the smaller one. Alright, I'm gonna continue with see how things bring it to me. Can you see it okay? Both Facebook and Instagram. There you go, Facebook better now. Okay, it's interesting to me now. And I have some red right there. You can do one colors. You don't have to do like more than Alright, I'm gonna keep continue layer on the top. Interesting. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, it's so dark. I can't see underneath here. Can you turn the lights on, please? Thank you. So much better. How everyone doing today? I'm keep asking because I want to make sure everybody doing great. It doesn't mean that I got time to look it down. So just bear with me. Alright. I don't know. I kept know what I'm doing, but I kept don't know what I'm doing. It's funny. So wait a minute. You can layer them. Let's add some white. All right, so I'm happy with this. And I am going to cure this for a quick 30 seconds. Flash cure. This one will be stunning when you're doing encapsulating with liquid and powder as well, so I can't wait. And this, let's see, we can do matte top coat and do a weaver gel and see how it turned out for us. Let me see, I have the crimsons. We'll see, let me do 3 of this as well. My weaver gels, which is I have crimsons, weaver gels, and then I also have my magnetic blue as well. Let's see. Okay, so now to encapsulating with your gel polish. This is for all of you doing gel polish. I am going to using condensed glue gels again. And if you are using matte top coat, then you're gonna apply the matte top coat right on the top of the condensed glue gels. Gonna pick it right there. Make sure it's thick density, so you want to blend it nicely. Hold on, I'm sorry, Instagram, if I miss it. Which is really awesome about condensed glue gel because it's thick density. So it will really encapsulating and it keep all of your dramatic glitters stay nice without having any lumpy and bumpy at all. All right, so now if it doesn't matter, you can put it on the top coat, which is a matte top coat right away. Which is I am going to do now. Can I get the matte top coat, please? Right there. Right. Thank you. I have 1,000 different crystals and stuff in here because it's hard for me to make decision which one. Which is I have so many like content that I'm gonna show, but sometimes I always like change my mind and we're always doing a different one, so I just want to make sure that I have it on my side. I think I get touch everywhere with this. Can you wipe it off, please? I just make a mess here because I'm moving the weaver gel at the same time. Sorry, I think it's good. But now we're gonna do is all right, so I'm gonna apply the top coat, which is the matte top coat, and you're gonna floating on the top. If you feel like you are not encapsulating the glitter is well enough, you can do, make sure you apply to cap them nicely before you do the top coat on. The top coat gonna float on the top. That's good. And then we're gonna wipe it off on the edges before we are killing the snails. Okay, here for 60 seconds. Looks so cool. All right.